Hey guys, back to my channel again. We're gonna film the daily dog video, another one. Guess who's here? Rex's little sister, Rocky. Oh, he's a cute little smelly stickers. Oh gosh, they're always together, aren't you? Last time she was on he was in her house. Really? Okay, that's enough. So last time we were with him, right? Right? Very fun thing. Daily Dogs episode series. This is episode 2. My dogs haven't daily to go here and have fun. Though last time I've been lying about that. So yeah, I'm a stupid total jerk. If you consider me as that. You could just call me that whenever y'all want. A stupid ugly jerk. Liar. If you don't, thank you. What the heck are you doing? What the heck are you doing, huh? Don't you dare do that again. She is older with ages or months than him, but he's taller than her. I don't get that from him. You? Weird. Oh, I like to sit in the sun, hang around with Mr. Sun. We have to, oh hey, it's Jada. Where's Kendall? Kendall's on the way. Come on, let's meet her up. Where's she? Yeah. Oh, she's over there. I saw her. What the heck are they doing? Oh, she makes a lot of friends. Oh, she's cute, isn't she? Look at her. Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute? Isn't she so cute? And their mother got pregnant again and her little baby's like this big. And like two of them of a girl. Male. I mean, female. So don't. Males have boys. Okay, back over here. Canyon. Oh, here's my chair. My easy chair. Don't mind the crib. That's fully naughty crib. Dogs. They get in big trouble like you. Kidding, no, I'm not cute. Right, not you. Got a little tongue. Just like I grabbed Tito's 2 years ago. Sorry. Oh, you're so cute. It's painting and I make it up. It's paint. My poor Peach. Naughty crib. Sun is messing everything up. You can see the sun. God, it's good. It's about Christmas. I'm shaking in front of my shirt. We're so lucky to be alive. Very nice day. Almost there is no little clouds, right? No clouds, no. This is just a normal life for me. Dogs, everyday dogs. As I mean, everyday dogs, daily dogs. That's what I call it. Hey! You stop that. I don't want any mating here. He's just laying for himself there. What the heck are you doing? Oh, look at his friend. We're having fun there. Come on, Kendall. She's smelling the tires like, it smells like old rubber. And you? She's scratching her. Oh, both brothers. So happy. Those are my dogs. The ones that have black jackets. So in the last episode we were talking and they were having a tussle with Brownie, the older brown dog. He oh sorry. He hit him, but he didn't got injured. I checked twice. He didn't. So yeah. And last episode we were talking about what's the stuff and crazy stuff. Don't put your crotch on her. You scare me. You give me a jump scare. Hey! She's so cute. Look at her little tongue. Look at her. She's so cute. And her little tongue. A sticky tongue. I like sticky saliva, girl. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. She's a little Chihuahua mix. Is it Chihuahua mix? Look. Oh gosh, sheesh. Stop licking me like crazy. Look at how many licks they have to my head. I tickle so much. I'm gonna put a fist. Don't bite me. I'm gonna bite you. Don't bite me. I'm gonna bite you. Don't bite my toe. You're kidding me, right? I have to put my feet up so y'all won't bite me. Too many legs. Oh, y'all tickle so much. She's peekaboo. You're like, peekaboo. They came here from nowhere. Sheesh, girl, you don't have the peekaboo behind the car. Why are the cameras tilted? Rex. Nicholas. Rex. That's so funny. He already knows his name. Nicholas. That's not his name. My dog's stupid. They don't know their name. Unless if I whistle, look. Look, see? they come. That's so funny. Rocky? She knows her name. You know your name, little kitty, little teddy bear. Look, chilling there. Chilling. Who's that? Kendall? What the? Oh, she cute, little tiny nose, little tiny nose. Munch me finger. Rocky? Stop killing that airhead candy. Background. Rocky, she understands her name, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You do understand your name. Look at my dogs. Man, stand up. I can't stand up. There you go. Who's out there? That's Brownie, isn't it? Yup, that is Brownie. Why, Brownie? You almost killed my baby. Can you see him on the camera poking it through a hole? Yes, you can. You can kind of see his. Oh, there's Kendall. Let's go, Nicholas. When I do that, he comes. Where's your brother? I'll go check on the garden. coming? Get back over here. Come on. Mommy almost gave me a heart attack. Come on, guys. Oh, my little teddy bear here. Oh, my little teddy bear.